Hello everyone, this is JR from JR's Cards. Got a retail box of this 2019 Stars and Stripes. I believe this is all USA team. This guarantees 2 autos and memorabilia cards per back box on average. We'll give it a shot. There's 5 cards, 5 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Alright. Alright. Here's what they look like. The insane tiny print for odds on the back. I'm not going to read all that. And I doubt anyone else is either. Alright. Connor Scott. Longevity. Maybe they all say longevity. Raleigh Cornelio. Here is Riley Green. Numbered 249. No, I'm sorry. 6 out of 249. Really get in there to get that number. Man, these are really reflective. We have Rigo McIntosh. And we got Bryson Stott. Alright. That's pack 1. Okay, we got Caden Grenier. Let's back up. Here we go. This will be better. We have Max Rakic. This is probably a hit here. We'll save that one to the end here. We have Jared Kelly. If you come across anyone I've heard of, I'll let you know. Bryson Stott. I've heard of him. He was in the last pack. And our hit is a big jersey. And it looks a little dirty. Of Mason Field. Left-handed pitcher. Let's back this thing up. Numbered out of 299. Focus. There we go. 25 out of 299. And it's kind of hard to see, but right there, it's like a smudge of something, dirt, maybe blood, who knows. So that's our first hit there. We'll put that in the background. Mason Field. I'm saying it all kinds of wrong, I'm sure. Alright. Caden Grenier, which we've already got one of him. Max Rakic. We already got one of him too. Kyle Bronovic. Kenyon Jovan. and Tristan Cassis. Here's what the back looks like. 18U national team. So, of course, they don't show any affiliation with major league teams. So, I don't think these guys have been drafted yet. I could be totally wrong about that. I don't know too much about this stuff here. Max Mayer. Nick Madrigal. That name seems familiar for some reason. Bryant Picard. Adley Rutschman. And Joshua Hartle. Nolan Gorman. Ryan Hawks. Here's a hit. We'll set that one aside at the moment. We have Brady House and Graham Stinson. And our hit here is interesting. It's a jersey and a sticker auto, and it is numbered 73 out of 89. And then the auto is like in the maybe gold Sharpie. Let's turn it sideways. So Timmy Manning, if I didn't mention, I don't think I did. So it looks like his auto just says Tim M. So he's a left-handed pitcher. The enclosed game used material and autographed. So says it's game used, which is always a plus. So there's our two guaranteed hits. We'll throw that one back there. So it looks like we have 2 packs left. Maybe some of these guys will get drafted here in June. Maybe start recognizing some of these names. Luke Leto, Parker Karatzi, 2019 checklist. Looks like it's the whole team. A whole team. I don't know if this is all one team or 15U. So there's an 18U. So there's probably several American teams here. Ryan Spikes and Andre Pallanti. We'll pretend like I'm saying that correctly. Last pack. We have Bobby Witt Jr., Anthony Volpe, Josh Jung, Riley Green, and Shea Langeliers. Okay, so that's it. So it looks like I got one numbered card and then these 2 jersey hits, jersey auto. That wants to be blurry. And that there. There we go. That'll straighten it up. So that's my hits from this box. Got this at Walmart for 20 bucks. The 2 guaranteed hits in it. So maybe in like 5 or 6 years, I'll know if any of these guys are any good. And if you see anything you like out of what I got here, let me know. Maybe we can work something out. All right, that's it for tonight. Thank you.